Hello everybody, this is our hot sales ABS PC two-line straight extruder machine that uses ABS PC raw material and can produce 1 layer, 2 layers, 3 layers, and can laminate ABS and PC filmings. Mostly customers will mix the new virgin material with the recycled material together and co-extrude the plastic sheets in the luggage production. Normally it can produce 20, 24, 28 inch for luggage sheets and also support for any other custom-made sizes of ABS sheets. Now the machine is laminated with the ABS filmings to the surface of the sheet. Our machine also has a color master with any other color master included in sheet production, and this is our mixed towers for 1 ton for mix 2 raw material together, ABS and PC. Mix the material with the new and recycled, then go to the screw, go to mould and co-extrude the sheet. Yes, this is screw lines and go to mould